names.
I'm Jessica Nelson.
And I'm Sarah Santiago.
Okay.
We were Hurt RAs, and we were in Hurt Commons.
So the first thing was there's a tornado warning. The sirens were going off, and we all do like the routine thing, like you go get your keys and you go and make sure everybody's downstairs. So we were all waiting for it, and we knew that it was gonna get pretty bad.
We knew it was bad, like people had said, but you know how there's always warnings in Jackson, so we kind of were, this is bad, but we were kind of making like a little jest about it because we were just like, well, it's probably not going to happen. But I mean, it's so serious, so we made sure all the girls were downstairs. But some guys were outside and they heard it and they were like, get in. So we ran into Emma Van Cleve's office. We hadn't even gotten the door shut. They had just run
Julie Mitchell and I had run to get, there was a room in Duncan that has 17 girls in the living room, and I said we probably need to get them in a different room so that they can go to the bathroom. And so we had just gone out and told them to go to Duncan 1, and as they were running to Duncan 1, we heard it coming, and we were like, run, 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 get in Duncan 1 right now. There were 2 girls that were in Duncan 5 on their laptops by the window, and I was like, go, get in the living room right now, go, go, go. And the last thing I heard was Julie saying, Sarah, run, we have to get out of here right now. And we just ran for Hurt Commons through the back door onto Emma's office.
Came in the office,
and like, I mean, 2 seconds after we came in, it all came down.
The wind just blew in. I mean, it was like wind and like
it hurt. It sounded like a train.
Side of the building came in on us. Like,
so we were trapped.
Yeah,
for a little
we were
bit.
trapped for a little while. We wanted to make sure there was no electrical cords and stuff, and we started hearing voices. And, but all of us were okay. There was probably like 10 of us in there
in the hall. The first thing I noticed there was Tim's toolbox was on me.
Was on you?
And all the wood from the roof was on me. But thank God, I mean, I just had like blood all over me, but it was just from gashes and cuts.
Yeah. We were all pretty crammed in there, but we got out, and it was just like they're gone. I mean, it's pretty devastating. Like I was telling her, my room, I saw my wall, and like my wall and my bed is gone.
Everything is gone.
And my roommates and another room were in the bathroom, and there was a rod that came through the bathroom, but it just missed them. Like, and they were praying, and they had their Bibles open, and I mean, they had just missed it. But
and I was just thinking about how like little I prepared my room. I was just like, oh gosh, there's tornado sirens. Like, let's get everybody in their rooms. And I just left everything as it was. I had just gotten done checking my email, and so my laptop was just open there. And like, I mean, and we were just talking about how material things seem so little now that we're safe and we're alive. But at the same time, you think, wow,
like what? I mean, we've lost our stuff. I mean, we've lost our stuff, but we've lost our buildings, like our homes.
Our homes, basically.
Like this is our last. I mean, this is our last semester, basically, for some of us, and it's just so weird to think that, because you always hear about tornadoes.
Yeah.
And they said that this one is nothing compared to this one is worse than the other.
So the other one is nothing compared to this one.
Like the buildings are bad. I mean, the commons are gone.
I was looking to the end of Duncan, and there's like walls missing. The bathroom of Duncan 11 caved in.
Yeah. Well, Patton, the whole side, but like you can see into past the living room. Like it's just caved in. Like it's
really bad.
And water, bad. There was some guys trapped, but we're alive.
And I just remember, like, our first reaction was, Lord protect us, Lord protect us, Lord protect us. Like, you're so shocked, you can't think of anything else to do. Just like, God protect us, God protect us. And I really thought that Emma's pregnant, and that was our RD, Emma Van Cleve. Okay. And I just thought, oh my word, God, please protect that baby.
It's just shocking. I don't
think it has set in yet.
There's no words, really.